Adjust front wheel to center position, click Next. Turn steering wheel left until wheels just start to move, record angle 1, click Next. Turn steering wheel right until wheels just start to move, record angle 2, click Next. Steering deadband value is auto-displayed. Typical deadband is between 15 degrees and 35 degrees. Ensure steering wheel is stationary during calibration. Park tractor on level ground and straighten steering wheel. Click Start Calibration, accelerate gently and maintain 2 to 3 km per hour. Turn wheel left, click Left 1, turn wheel right, click Right. Turn wheel left, click Left 2. This calibration requires an unobstructed paved road of at least 30 m. Tap Start to begin the roll calibration process.